Thousands of Ford F-150 owners have been told they need a new transmission, only to discover later the transmission wasn't actually broken. If your truck suddenly started slamming into gear, hesitating between shifts, or bucking when you pull away from a stop, don't panic just yet. Before you spend hundreds of dollars on diagnostics or thousands on a transmission replacement, there's something you should know. Because in many cases, the transmission isn't the first thing that should be blamed. A viewer named Mark from Florida recently shared what happened with his 2020 Ford F-150 equipped with the 10-speed transmission. The truck had just over 72,000 miles. There were no warning lights, no transmission fault codes, just harsh, inconsistent shifts between second and third gear that seemed to get worse every week. Like most owners, Mark immediately thought the worst: my transmission is failing. The dealership recommended scheduling a full diagnostic appointment before discussing repair options. But before approving expensive work, Mark decided to do a little research into how Ford's transmission system actually operates. What he found completely changed the way he looked at the problem. Here's the part most owners never hear about. Many newer Ford F-150s use something called adaptive transmission learning. Instead of shifting the exact same way forever, the transmission control module constantly learns from how you drive. If you spend months towing a trailer, drive through heavy stop-and-go traffic every day, or regularly carry heavy loads, the transmission gradually adjusts shift timing and clutch pressure to match those conditions. That's exactly what it's designed to do. But sometimes those learned values stop matching the way the truck is being driven. It can happen after a battery replacement, a software update, certain repairs, or simply because your driving habits have changed over time. And when that happens, the transmission may begin shifting harder than normal, hesitate between gears, or feel inconsistent, even though nothing inside the transmission has actually failed. And this is where many owners spend thousands they didn't need to. Harsh shifting doesn't automatically mean the transmission is mechanically damaged. According to Ford service information, one of the first things technicians should check is whether the truck has any fault codes stored, available software updates, or, when appropriate, whether an adaptive relearning reset is appropriate for your specific situation. An adaptive reset simply clears the learned shift values, allowing the transmission to start learning again based on your current driving conditions. Now, let's be clear, this is not a miracle fix. If your transmission has a damaged CDF drum, worn clutch packs, internal component failure, or metal contamination inside the transmission, no software reset is going to repair that. Mechanical problems still require mechanical repairs. But if the harsh shifting is being caused by outdated adaptive values or software-related learning, many owners report noticeably smoother shifting after the relearning process is completed. That's why proper diagnosis is so important. The next time your F-150 starts shifting harder than normal, don't automatically assume you need a multi-thousand-dollar transmission replacement. First, ask whether any fault codes have been stored, ask if there are software updates available for your truck, and ask whether an adaptive relearning is appropriate for your specific situation. Spending a few extra minutes understanding the real cause could help you avoid replacing parts that were never the problem in the first place. Modern Ford trucks rely on dozens of computers working together. Sometimes the issue is mechanical, sometimes it's electronic. The expensive mistake is assuming they're the same thing. If you found this video helpful, don't miss the next one. We're covering another Ford system that surprises thousands of owners every year: the battery management system, why batteries seem to fail earlier than expected, and one simple maintenance step many drivers never realize exists. Click the video on your screen, and I'll see you there.